needed an extra space and my husband Keith wanted to move. I didn't want to go, I'm happy here. We chose the conservatory over the move, it was easier. I picked conservatory land. First thing you do is put conservatory into your search. But not only did they come up at the top, you got to make choices. You was able to know roughly what price it was going to cost, and the digital image came up. When I first contacted them, I did it by email and then they followed through with a phone call. So instead of having to talk to somebody immediately and feel any pressure of having one pushed upon you, it made it a little bit easier to choose them than other people. And it was just simple. I walk into this conservatory every morning. I walk into the kitchen and I look out the window first with my little ornaments around, and I put my lights on. You feel good. You feel you've got somewhere else to go. I had friends over for an art group and they all come out here and we sat out here. It's warm with the underfloor heating. It lights up lovely in the evening. But we sat out here and it was just this fabulous space that you can't realise how many uses you can make from it. It's amazing. I love it. Within 30 days, the technician had been round, the delivery came and it was up and running. It was pretty incredible because we spent Christmas outside here and it was lovely, really lovely. I would recommend Conservatory Land because they've been so supportive. Cannot fault them for their support, their after support and checking on me. That was incredible. So I'm very happy with their support. Yes, I would recommend them.